Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sele Khalil, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Now we are stepping into the dry season. That's the Harmattan season if you're in Nigeria, and winter if you're outside Nigeria. I don't know what they call it in other countries, but we're in the Harmattan season and it is really dry right now. So I'm going to be showing you how you can make a simple body brightening glowing oil that will hydrate your skin and give you a beautiful complexion. Now the first ingredient we're going to be using is our sepi white MSH. And sepi white MSH is an excellent skin lightener, and it's also a brightener that is suitable for all skin types and ethnicity, and it also promotes more uniform and radiant complexion. Now if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. We are also going to be using AHA powder, AHA oil soluble powder. If you don't know what AHA means, it is alpha hydroxy acids. Now these are fruit acids that are very good with skin exfoliation. It helps to hydrate the skin. It helps to remove dull and uneven complexion. If you're looking for something that will give you a very good buff on your skin, then you need to add AHA or any alpha hydroxy acids. Now there are also beta hydroxy acids. If you want to learn more, get our ebook. It will help you understand better. We're going to be using our rose hip oil, or some people will call it rose hip oil. I like to pronounce it the way it's written, and we're using that because it is a very good oil that has so many skin benefits, including brightening the skin. Now because we're using this as a hydrating oil, rose hip oil helps to hydrate the skin, moisturize the skin. It also helps to exfoliate and help brighten the skin. It boosts collagen formation. It helps to reduce inflammation. It helps to protect the skin from sun damage. It reduces hyperpigmentation. It is very packed with so many benefits, which is why we're adding it here. Now it helps to moisturize dry skin. It softens rough cuticles. It nourishes and heals dry skin. It relieves sunburn. It has antibacterial properties. It boosts your skin glow. It fades fine lines and wrinkles. It can suit eczema prone skin and so many other benefits. Remember, we're in the dry season and our skins are prone to these issues when we're in this Christmas season, the dry season, which is why we're using these skin beneficial oils, just to make sure we're getting all the benefits for our skin and all the nutrients and nourishments for our skin this season. We are also going to be using our palm kernel oil. Now you can also use coconut oil if you don't have breakouts when you use coconut oil. Otherwise you can use palm kernel oil, which is a more suitable oil for people who are prone to breakouts or clogged pores. Palm kernel oil contains vitamin E coupled with the antioxidant properties in it. It helps to prevent the signs of and symptoms of aging. It helps to prevent fine line, help with delayed sagging and wrinkle of the skin. It is a very good emollient with beneficial properties in moisturizing the skin and preventing transdermal heat and water loss. Okay, remember we are trying to make a moisturizing, hydrating, glowing, brightening oil. Okay, so we need these ingredients to make sure that our skin is protected from dryness and it has that beautiful glow and brightness that we are looking for. We're also going to be using jojoba oil, jojoba oil. I don't know how that's pronounced, but we're also going to be using that for its skin benefits as well. And we also use papaya oil, which I love. If you have been following me from the beginning, from the start of my channel, you know that I love papaya oil a lot. Papaya oil helps to brighten and lighten the complexion of your skin. If your skin is feeling a little dull and lifeless, papaya oil will help to restore hydration, discourage acne and breakout, reduce blemishes and scarring, and generally gives you a beautiful complexion. After adding all our oils and all our powders together, we're going to take this to the double boiler. If you don't know how to do your double boiler, click on this video right here to learn how to do your double boiler. We're going to let this dissolve, let all the ingredients dissolve. Here our oils and powders and all of that have dissolved, and you can see how beautiful. I like to call this oil liquid gold because it is so beautiful, both aesthetically and on the skin. Now, after all your oils and powders and everything have mixed thoroughly, you want to sieve this. I didn't show that, but you want to sieve it to make sure you remove every particles. Now I'm going to go ahead to add my omega-3 fatty acid. Now omega-3 fatty acids are very essential nutrients that are found in certain foods. They can serve to regulate the skin's oil production. They can improve balanced hydration, subdue breakouts, and minimize signs of aging. It can also help to soften rough, dry skin and have a soothing effect on irritated or skin with dermatitis. Now, we're also going to be adding our vitamin E oil in this recipe. Vitamin E oil will not only help to fight free radicals, it will also help to keep our product or our oil safe and without it going rancid. We're also going to add our essential oil. You can use any essential oil blend that you want. I used a very beautiful blend of essential oil. I had so many essential oil mixed together. That's a beautiful blend. If you want the same kind of blends, you can send us a message on our ingredient page and we will respond and give you the price for our custom blends. Now go ahead to mix everything together thoroughly. You can see how clear and transparent this oil looks. It is so beautiful both on your skin and aesthetically. We are also going to be adding isopropyl myristate. Now, I hope I pronounced that right, but what this ingredient does is it helps to lock in moisture, and it also helps to carry your actives into your skin. It's like a skin penetrator as well. It helps to moisturize the skin. It helps to fill in cracks in between the skin cells so that moisture can't escape. It softens the skin. It's an emollient. It also helps to keep your product from being too oily on your skin. So that's why we're adding that here. It has so many benefits. Now our oils, everything that we need for this product has been added. Make sure you go ahead and stir this thoroughly and then keep it to rest for at least a full day. Now go ahead and add your essential oils. Like I said earlier, I used a blend of beautiful essential oils. Go ahead and add that into your oil to give it a beautiful scent. And then we are good with all the ingredients. Make sure you stir thoroughly. Stir everything thoroughly, especially when you add your essential oil. Make sure you stir it thoroughly so everything is mixed in completely. And then don't pour it immediately into your containers. You can leave it to rest for at least an hour, 2 hours. You can even leave it to rest for a full overnight, or rather a full day. So after which you can go ahead to bottle your oils. Make sure you're bottling your oils in a very safe and clean containers. Here I'm using this 120 ml containers to bottle my oil. And yeah, see how beautiful this oil looks. It is so beautiful, so beautiful. And you can use this oil on your face, you can use this oil on your body, and it will give you a beautiful glow. Now, if you haven't registered for our upcoming training, I have no idea what you're waiting for. We're going to have so many beautiful recipes that are going to be shown to you, and also beautiful recipes for free also that are going to be given for that training. The training is 15,000 naira. If you want to register for the training, kindly send a WhatsApp message using the link down below in the description bar. If you want to buy all our ingredients, any kind of ingredients at all, follow our ingredient page. The page on Instagram is going to be on the screen, so just search that on Instagram or click the link in the description bar. It will take you to the page. You can order any kind of ingredient at all and you will be good. Okay, lastly, if you are a beginner and you want to join our class, we'll advise that you get our ebook first, so that you will not be left behind during the class. You will understand better, because it's not a beginner class, it's an advanced class. So we're going to be giving you recipes that are safe and effective and will take your business to another level. Remember, the purpose for this training is to help you build your business better, get better recipes to sell to your customers, so you get more customers and more referrals. Don't forget, the training starts on the 17th of January. It is just by the corner, so I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and pay to register, because we're going to be taking a very, very limited number of people, and once we get that number, we will close the registration. Again, to register is 15,000 naira. If you want to get more information, send a WhatsApp message. We will send you the model for the training and then tell you, after payment, we'll add you to the group. And that is how this works. Okay, this is our beautiful oil, very, very hydrating oil, very, very safe for your skin, your face, and you're going to love this oil, because this Harmattan is coming on strong and we need something strong that will keep our complexion, not only keep our complexion, but also keep our skin from flaking or drying. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.